Hello guys, this is Akshan Shigle and welcome to Indian Kids Coder. And in today's video, what we are going to see is we are going to see a error. Okay, and that error is let me show you. And basically, this error is in Python. This error basically comes during Python. Okay, means while you are installing a. In my case, it came while I was installing a package. Okay, in Python, if you know Python, then if you know a little bit also, then you will be knowing that to install a package we use pip. So as I was typing pip install, and I wanted to install virtual env, that is virtual environment. When I was typing pip install virtual env, it was saying that it was showing some error. So let me do the same thing and show you. Okay, so here I have created a new folder after solving that problem. These virtual env folders were created already. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to create a same something, this type of folder. It's not this type folder, is a folder, normal folder. I am going to create, and I will just type here, suppose virtual environment. Perfect. Now I am opening this, and now um, to in order to install virtual env in this particular folder, we have to just press shift on your keyboard and right click here, and you will see this option. If you don't press shift and right click here, then you will not get this option to open this folder in PowerShell. So you have to press shift something like this, and then right click here. You will get this option. Just to this option will be open PowerShell window. Here means open this folder in PowerShell. Just click on that and your PowerShell window will be opened. Let me little bit resize it. Now here, first of all, if I run Python here in my system, Python is already installed, so Python will run, but I am going to exit it. Okay, or not equals, by mistake I did. Now here I have to run pip to install any package from using pip. Okay, so my pip is now successfully run. Now to install virtual env, I have to type pip install. We have to use this command, pip install. Okay, to install any package, or in order to install any package, now pip install virtual env. Remember, not virtual environment, it's virtual env. And as I press enter, it will take time. It's saying already satisfied. Why? Because I have already installed this virtual env in my this thing, so I will need to uninstall it, but I don't want to uninstall it. But also for you guys, I have to uninstall it. So uninstall. Okay, I never uninstall anything uh, which is important. So virtual env I have to uninstall. If in order to install a package, you have to write type pip install and name of that package, and if you want to uninstall, then you have to type pip uninstall and then name of that package. Okay, if you don't know this, then I told you. Then for found existing installation, it is asking, do you want to proceed or not? So type yes for y, I mean y for yes, and for no. So I will type y here. Okay, it is saying error, exception traceback, access is denied. Why? Because okay. So it is saying that I think here I have already made this thing, so I will need to delete this. Okay, in order to show you guys, I have to delete this also. Okay, it is taking time, taking too much time. Okay, then now I will just close this and then go here again. Then again I will type this pip uninstall virtual env. Warning, skipping version, it is not installed. Okay, it is not installed. Why it is saying okay, it already installed this, but also I don't know why it was showing error, because I didn't read the whole error. Okay, so now if I again type pip install virtual env, then it will take time. Again it will collect this virtual env and then installing. See this error, this is the error. Could not install packages due to an environment error. See, environment error, what is that error? Win error 5 means Windows error 5, access denied. Now this error not only comes while installing this virtual env, it comes during installing maximum times. Maybe it comes because I have faced this error only while installing virtual env in. Okay, only while installing virtual env I faced this error, but maybe while installing some other packages, or while installing, or while doing some other work, maybe in Python, then maybe this error comes. Then to solve this error, now it is saying Windows error 5. Okay, now what does this means it is saying environment error, means in order. Okay, now this error now in order to solve this error, you have to open this Windows partial in administrator. Okay, administrator, you have to open this. I will just close it. Now right click here. Now to open this in administrator, you have to open this partial in administrator, and then you have to open that folder in PowerShell, and then you can install that virtual env, and you will not face any error that time. Okay, so I will just right click here and select this Windows PowerShell with admin. Okay, if you want to zoom, then you have to control plus mouse wheel, then your text will be bigger. And then now one more thing, along with this text, your size of your this window will also be bigger, but it's okay. Now here again I have to run pip. No, not pip. Here in order to okay, here to open. Now here, as you can see, this folder is not open, means this virtual environment folder is not opened here. Now to in order to open this folder, you have to, what you have to do, go to C drive, users, Akshansh, okay, or whatever there, or you can just go here, not here. Okay, you have to close this, and you just have to type desktop, not remote desktop. I have to close this. I have to type desktop. Okay, see, it's showing that folder, and then inside this you have to select. You just have to select that folder, and here you have to go to here, and then just right click it, not like this. Just right click this and copy address. Go here, paste it, and in place of this you have to type cd space, and as you will press enter, you will be okay, maybe it's saying error because of its name. Now again I have to change its name here. I'll just type virtual here, virtual, then let's go here. Okay, now I'll just remove this environment. Perfect. Now as you can see, it opened this virtual name folder. Now here if I type pip and run pip here, now it is successfully run. If here I type pip install virtual env, and enter, then it will install my virtual environment. It is saying it is already satisfied again. Okay, one more thing. Now whenever you will face that error, means that Windows error 5 or something like that, while you face that error, it will show error, but it will install your this virtual env package, but it will show error. It will not you will not be able to create a virtual environment folder, okay, something like that. So that's why it shows error, but your virtual environment package will be successfully installed. Actually not successfully, we can't say successfully. So again here also I have to uninstall virtual env. Done. Okay. Why successfully uninstalled? Now again I have to install it, and now you will see that without any error this virtual env will be installed. That is see see it showed collecting virtual env, and then it installed virtual env without any error. Okay, so if you face that kind of error, means Win5 environmental error or something like that, then simply nothing you have to do. You have to open that window in PowerShell only, but with admin, with administrator. Okay, and how can you do that? You can just type here uh, PowerShell, power only. If you will type, then it will show you PowerShell. Right click here and click on run as administrator. It will run, and then just to go to that folder, okay, whether it is on desktop, and go to that folder location basically, and then type cd and paste that folder location and press enter. Then it will take you to that folder in PowerShell, and then you can run pip and you can install that, or you can do that. Okay, so that was it about this error and about pip and about virtual environment. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel, and for these kind of more error solving videos or programming tutorial videos, you can also press the bell notification icon, and also do like this video and share it with your friends who are interested in programming and who are facing this error also. And I'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care everybody, and bye bye.